First at 6, developing news. 2 flagship hotels in the capital city, well, they're in danger of closing. The fear is that if these hotels close, well, no one would be safe. Good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Dennis House. Let's begin our coverage tonight with Channel 3's Matthew Campbell. He is in downtown Hartford with us tonight covering the potential closing. Matthew, these hotels are huge figures in the capital city skyline.
Yeah, Dennis, they really are. And especially when we talk about jobs, these are very crucial jobs. And between the Marriott and the Hilton, more than 300 people have already been laid off, either on a temporary or permanent basis. And you were talking about it earlier. The biggest fear is that if these hotel giants close, then really no one is safe.
Based on the languishing traffic at Bradley International Airport, it's easy to tell not many are traveling.
It's really, really tough on our hotel industry. I would say they're probably taking one of the biggest hits, that in the restaurant industry.
Jan Jones, the program coordinator for hospitality and tourism management at the University of New Haven, says cities like Hartford are especially vulnerable.
With no events going on, it's a big challenge because a lot of these hotels really rely on those big events to fill up.
You're seeing the chain reaction. The XL Center hasn't had an event since March, and there's no telling when crowds can return to these types of venues. The last time the convention center was used came in the spring when it was converted to be an overflow for coronavirus patients. Hartford Mayor Luke Bronin offers a bleak forecast.
I think hotels like this, which are tied to large event facilities, whether it's the XL Center or the Convention Center, are going to be among the slowest to recover.
The toll of months of inactivity is being seen today. More than 300 have been laid off permanently or temporarily, with at least 50 workers having their hours reduced. Some of the layoffs at these hotels include room attendants, cooks, servers, management, and housekeeping.
I actually think this is the beginning, unfortunately, of some bad, sad announcements in our industry until people start to really feel safe about traveling out of their own communities.
Mayor Bronin is asking for the state to help out.
There may be a much bigger cost to the state in the years ahead if these facilities end up closing down.
Now, the mayor makes that case by showcasing the relationship the Marriott has with the Convention Center and the relationship between the XL Center and the Hilton. Now, he points that the state really invested heavily in both of those venues. So we did ask the governor about this. He says he is considering it, but is very hesitant giving tax dollars to huge private businesses. By the way, both the Marriott and the Hilton are open on a limited basis. That's the latest. Live here in Hartford tonight. Matthew Campbell, Channel 3 News.